Good morning, guys. How are you all doing? Welcome back to the vlog. So I'm in Curry's. I came to get the fridge and I've seen the one I want and I'm happy with. I don't think I saw this the other day, but it was the same price as the other one I bought in John Lewis that wouldn't fit. So this is it. Hot points. I like hot points because I believe my washing machine is also hot points. Yeah, and I like the color. The color is not too dark and it's not too bright. It's just right. So I like it. So I'm going to go and pay. And I'll speak to you guys later. Just to let you guys know, I'm here. There are other one as well. There are boots here. There are rich. Let me see. I don't like this one. Although their price is cheaper. That one is like, no, this one is not cheaper. But where? It's not cheap. No, I don't like it. Yeah. This is the one I'm buying. This one. Look, I look inside. Inside is not bad, isn't it? And the freezer too, it's not bad. Let's go and pay. I've got the fridge, guys. The one I wanted to buy is out of stock. It's out of stock. But you know what? When the I'm so happy. Yeah. God help. Oh, God have mercy. So I could not say much while I was ordering the fridge because of the music they are playing. I don't want copyright because they've won me a pass. Because me, I'm somebody pay. I love music. Any music I like, I don't even care. I'll just use it in my videos. If it's not because of all the connection my main channel have, Janet Tubeji, they would have bring that channel down. Trust me. My village people, they would have bring it down, but God did not allow them because of all my connection I have there. All my powerful, my prayer warriors that I have there. But joke apart, they would have bring that video. So with family channel, even discover me. So when you guys, it's bitter. Remember I have one sugar yesterday. So I didn't want to say much. Anyway, so the hot point that I saw that I thought it was the best one that I want to order is out of stock. But God even favored me with a better one, LG. The lady said LG, they have it in store. And it's even better than the hot point I wanted to buy. And the one the LG inside is bigger and it's just a bit wider. You know, so I ordered it. They said I have option of them bringing it on Wednesday or Friday. I said, oh, Wednesday. They say I have to pay £30 for delivery for Wednesday. I said, how about if it's Friday? They say it's £20. I said they should put Friday. I'll wait. Yeah, I'll wait till Friday. Every little helps. And I did insurance. £100 plus insurance for 5 years. You know. But I'm happy. At least we got fridge. So anytime from now, we can move him back home. And I'm supposed to go to work today. Today is Saturday. Today is Saturday, the 30th of November, 2024. I'm supposed to go to work yesterday. I mean, not yesterday. I was off yesterday. I was supposed to go to work today, but I have to call my manager this morning. I'm messenger. I didn't call her. I messenger. I cannot come because the way my body is feeling, I'm not 100% strong. So I want to use the weekend to stay home and relax. And then by next week, I start work. I'll be able to do 1 or 2 things. So before coming, because I've bought washing machine. Washing machine is in my house already. I didn't have to go to laundry. So when I left the house, I brought the kid clothes that was dirty, their uniform clothes, the normal clothes that they wear. So I'm washing it in the house. So I'm gonna wash it. You know, I don't want to do all this wahala, all this headache, and then be going to work later. I can't deal with that. So right now I'm going to fix my tire. My tire is not 100%. So our daddy said I should bring it so that he can help me to fix it. That's all. So from there I wanted to go to the bank. But that bank, I don't think I'll be able to make it for the bank today because today's Saturday. There'll be so many queue. So maybe on Monday, Tuesday, I'll sort that out. You guys understand? So that's what is going on. And I went to Costa's. I went to get like cappuccino or something, and something nice to eat, so that I'll take paracetamol because my body ache is began to come. So that I'll drink paracetamol. When I got there, they don't have the thing they have there. I don't like it. Most of the thing they have there is sweet things, cupcake, Christmas cake, Christmas pie, kinecon pie. So I didn't buy anything. I just buy the cappuccino to drink. And the cappuccino is not that really nice. The one I bought in Wenzo's, oh my days, that cappuccino is so good. This one is not really nice. So anyway, that's what is happening, my people. I'm still at Curry's. I just want to drink this and start driving. So anyway, I'll see you guys. But I'm happy about fridge. There are more things I'll still buy, but that can't wait. I want to buy dining. I want to buy dining. I've seen one online. But do you guys know anywhere I can get dining? You know, my living room is not the big living room, so I want like just small dining, not those big family, you know. So just between family of 4 or 5. That's it. Do you guys understand? Yeah. Anyway, thank you guys. I'll see you guys when I get to my measurements. And everything I have here, I also have it in my email, which is really good, because anything can happen to paper. I mean, I'm very bad at tearing paper. When I see paper everywhere, they annoy me. I'll just tear it down. I would have even finished tearing it before I realized that, yay, it's important receipt too. So I'm happy that the lady said, even though I have it here, everything is in my email. They send everything to my email. By the time I will tap, maybe 10 years later, I type, Curry's, fridge, somehow, so many years, it will come up. So I'm going to start going. this is all Christmas tree. I don't want Christmas trees. This one fake plants. Something I have to look back here. It's okay.
Create our own.
Huh? I want fake plants. I don't want. Oh. Oh, this is nice. If I buy this, my son will use it to annoy me with that sound. I like this. Oh, this one is heavy, right? Oh, how much is this? Maybe I should get this. He's always wanted dog. But this is for Christmas. After Christmas, what's going to happen? I want like... Excuse please. Do you have a normal one of this that is not written Christmas stuff?
Number 30.
Number 30. So which side? Is it like this or like this? Huh? This side. Okay. Thank you. Okay guys, oh, I love my lightning. I wish all the time my lightning is like this anytime I'm vlogging. This is my natural lightning. I love it so much. So I'm inside my car. Our daddy have finished helping me to put a new tire, so my car is ready for Christmas. I just need to wash it because the car is dirty. So while the car was fixing, I came to B&Q and I bought a few things. I only bought one thing on B&Q. This one, he said, welcome to my home. He just said welcome, you know. There are some there that have Christmas thing, but it's very small. It's not thick like this one, so I prefer that one. Then I decided B&Q, there's pound stretcher. I needed few things for my house, so I bought a bin. Look at guys, I bought this bin for, is it not $5.99 or $6.99? I think it's $6.99. I bought this for 99. No, I bought this for £1.50. It used to be £2, but they are doing 50p off. So, and I bought this for $3.99. You guys, look at what it's for. Can you see? Because I don't like when we wash plates and we leave it on top of the sink and for a long time. So I like this one. We'll leave it on top of the sink, we'll wash the dishes, we'll put it, and then we'll wipe it, clean it straight away. So that's gonna be the rules and regulations. And I bought this chopping board because I only have the wood chopping board. So sometimes I wanted a small chopping board, especially when the kids are cooking, they need something smaller. So I bought this. I can't remember how much I bought this. I think it's $1.49 or like £2. The receipt is here. Anyway, everything total I spent in pound stretcher was £18.19. So I bought this. I don't know how much I bought this. I bought this plastic, and I bought this baking something because I'm so happy. You know, I told you guys I bought a cooker the other day because for a very long time, like for the past 5 months now, my kids have not had anything baked. They've not baked anything because the house we are staying, we don't have a cooker. I only have, you know, those small ones. You guys, you've seen it now. So my kids, they like baking stuff. They like making like lasagna. They like baking brownie. They like making their own homemade pizza. I like making it for them. They also like making a lot of pastry. My kids have not been having any of that. So hopefully very soon they will enjoy all that. So I don't have any baking pan. So I bought this. So I know this Christmas is going to be one of the best Christmas ever for us. So I bought this bin. So that is all I buy. So now I'm going to go home. And I told you guys I was washing the kids' uniform. So I put the white. I'm sure you will have finished. When I go back now, I'll put the black. While he's washing, I'll quickly rush to the house, and when it finishes, I'll take it to the laundry and go and dry it. Because I don't want any wet clothes in the house. I'm not even in the mood for those wet in this cold weather. So anyway, that is my day. That's what's going on, and I'll see you guys. Okay, my people, thank you. How can I do all this while now and saying I'm rushing to work in the night? There's no way. Even all this thing I'm doing, just like I have to do it. If I don't do it, there's nobody who do it for me, and it will be waiting. It's just something that, you know, there are some things that you have to do. If it's not because I have to do it, I don't think I'm ready to even leave the house today. So otherwise, my body is not strong enough, guys. The way I'm feeling, if you guys enter my body, you know that Janet, Kato, stay at home. But what can I do? What I can do, like, I'm supposed to go to the bank today, and I'm gonna tell you guys the bank story later, not in this video. But that one is already cancelled. There's no way I could even go today because the time now, God knows what the time is, and maybe it's almost 1 o'clock. So from here now, I'm not going home straight. I'm going to African store. I want to buy like maybe amala or fufu. I want something solid, something hot. I have fish in the house, mackerel that I grilled the other day. I make fried sauce. We finished kind of the fried sauce, but the fish still remaining a lot. So I'm gonna blend tomato and make it like a stew and make a wedu. I have a wedu in the freezer. I'm gonna be making that. So obviously I might show you. I'll carry you guys along because guys, I just came back. I went to African store, as I said. I bought a few things. And let me show you guys what I bought. I don't know, this is a bit dark. I don't know, I hope it's not so bright. I bought plantain. One is 50p, so I bought 4 for £2. Yes, guys. I bought Maggi. No, because I don't have no in the house. I bought fufu. And I bought pap because I wanted to make moi. Where is the moi bean? Where is the beans? I have the moi beans at home. So the other day I was craving for pap, even custard to have. I don't get, so I just buy it today. £3.29. This stuff just sell it for £3. Why did I have to put 29? Look at, and this one I think is £3.99. This one is £5.49. So, and I bought pepper. I bought more stuff here. I bought this. Let me see whether this zoom is good. Okay, it's really nice. I want to make beans. I've already boiled the beans. I told you guys in my previous video, I boiled beans in the fridge the other day. So I'm gonna put oil and pepper. And the guy was telling me, oh, fufu from Nigeria. And I love fufu, so I bought it. I said, let me buy one. So even though I don't have soup in the house, I have okra in the soup, but that okra has been in the fridge for God knows. I don't know whether it will be still good. But anyways, I have one soup in the freezer. I think I have a one, so I'll use it. So but it said £2 something, but it's selling for me for £1.50, and it's big. It's big. And it smells like fufu. So I'm gonna be having this. So, and I also buy pepper. I'm going to blend. I have some in the fridge, but the one I have in the fridge, I want to use it to make stew, to add the one I was telling you guys. See, we finished all the sauce. This is mackerel, so I'm going to make stew and add it. I have a wedu in the freezer. I'm going to bring it out and blend. And I also buy prawns, fresh prawns. I bought fresh prawns. I bought £5 fresh prawns. This one, I bought £5. This quantity is for £5. So let me leave that inside the sink. I'm gonna sort that out later. And the pepper I bought, I'm going to blend it to make a bean sauce and add to the beans with crayfish and make it. And then while I came home, I'm still going out anyway. I'm still going out because while I was coming, I branched to the house. The whites that was washing the washing machine, that one is finished. So I put the black. So the black is washing, but the black did not fit. So I'm gonna still go back there later and remove the one I'm washing and put more. Then I'll go and dry it. Tomorrow is Sunday, Abby. I think I'll wash all the clothes. Yeah. And then tomorrow morning I'll go and dry it, because for me to say I'll go and dry it now, it will be just too much.
It's a special one. That knows, baby. Oh.